Hi, welcome to the first section of this course. We have come a long way towards your professional certificate, and we are excited to dive deeper into Facebook Ad Manager. This section is all about taking your first step in Ad Manager. First, we will learn what the different tools are that Facebook offers to create and manage your ad campaigns. And we will then discuss where that ads you create can appear, also called ad placements. Finally, we will explain how the Facebook ad auction works and how you will pay for running campaigns. Then we will go over how campaigns are structured in Ad Manager, and then we will get your ad account set up and give you a general overview of how to navigate Ads Manager. Well, there is a lot to cover here, so let's get started.